Hello. In this video, we will explain how to add, copy, and edit boreholes through the window. I click the Soil Profiles button in the Definition menu. In the window that opens, we see the boreholes listed. After selecting the borehole to copy, I click the Copy button on the left. As you can see, a profile named BH3 is added to the list. After selecting this profile, I double-click it to open the soil profile properties. In the Layers tab, I click the second layer and open the layer properties. Here, I set the layer bottom level to -14 meters. Then I click the Apply button. I also open the properties of the last layer and set the layer top level to -14 meters. Then I click the Apply button. This completes the profile properties. I click Apply to save the changes. As you can see, the levels are set as intended. Now I select BH1 and click the Copy button on the left. A soil profile named BH4 is added to the list. I double-click this profile to open its properties. In the second layer, I change the layer bottom level to -16 meters. I click the Apply button. Then, in the last layer, I set the layer top level to -16 meters. I click the Apply button. Then I click Apply once more. As you can see, by using the Copy button, we have created a total of 4 profiles. I review the profiles. Now I click the Apply button on the left to add them to the model. As you can see, 4 profiles are created in the model. I click the Soil Profiles button again to open the window. If you use the Add button on the left, you can add a similar profile to the list. When you click this button, the Soil Profile Properties window opens. After completing the profile properties as shown in the previous video, click Add to include the new profile in the list. Thank you for watching.